Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to fix Instagram Restyle something went wrong. Thus, if you are facing this problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Force stopping the Instagram application is another method to fix this issue. For this, go to Settings App and Notification or App Management. Here you'll see all apps and find the Instagram app. On the apps page, choose Force Stop. The next method you can try is logging out from the Instagram account and logging in back into it. So, you have to do the same thing to solve this problem. To do this, open your Instagram profile page by clicking on the profile icon. Then, tap on the menu icon. Then, scroll down and hit the logout option. After some time, again open the app and relog into your Instagram account. Now check for the issue. Sometimes all it takes to beat Instagram Restyle something went wrong error is to simply clear your Instagram's app's cache and data. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the Instagram. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. An outdated version of Instagram app can cause a problem. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. To do, you have to open the Google Play Store. Now search for the Instagram app. Now click on the Instagram app and check if there is any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the Instagram app to check for the problem. Delete the Instagram app and install it again to solve this error. To uninstall Instagram app, find the Instagram app on your device's home screen. Then long press on it, then tap Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install Instagram app. Go to Google Play Store and type Instagram in search box. Click on Instagram and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Contacting Instagram can help you to deal with user questions and technical difficulties. For this, go to the Instagram settings. Scroll down and tap on Help. Choose Report a Problem, then describe the problem you're experiencing and submit the report. So, this is all about fixing Instagram Restyle something went wrong on Android. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like. Subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.